3 minutes later. Good morning, gentlemen. We will start our training today. And this morning, we will introduce 3 categories. The first one is the waxen products. The other is the liquid nitrogen product. Lastly, I will play a video for this product, centrifuge on the table, the smaller one. So our training also divided in 2 parts, part A and part B. So part A, we will do a presentation for you, just a short time, maybe control in 30 minutes. And then later we will show our real equipment for you. And in this part, you could raise your question and have a communication with our technicians. Okay, so for this waxen product, this is HBC 80, HBC 150 product. So here is the appearance. The contents I introduced today mainly including 4 or 5 parts. It's including product description and product parameters, and electrical system and wiring diagram, and installation precautions. Lastly, I introduced the main parts and service and how to replacement the main components. So firstly, appearance and components, we can say here this is the indicator. There is an indicator light here. Later we will show you on our equipment. And there is a fan, this one, and there is a draining nut. So this one is a magnify the handle. So this is a handle, and there is a door lock here. This is a display. This picture is the back of our product. There is a switch, and this is the electronic controller. So here is this component is very important. And inside, open the doors, we could see inside component. There is a brass case. Sorry, and this one is a condenser. The back is a condenser. And this model has 6 features as follows. So firstly, this external power supply is AC, 220 to 240 voltage, is 50 to 60 Hertz. And this temperature inside, for the waxen storage space inside, is 2 to 8 degrees. And this meets the WHO requirements of grade A freeze protection. So for the material, we used high density foamed material, and the maximum holdover time for this type HBC could up to 59 hours and 58 minutes. But for this model, would be save time would be longer, is 60 hours and 50 minutes. So we have advanced technology. This is temperature compensation technology. This is suitable for the wide ambient temperature range. It would be 5 to 43 degrees. And we are powered energized energy provided by the solar LED. So this is special. No need power supply, and also we could real-time display of inside temperature. Lastly, our components are very famous and international. So also the fans and other main components. This is our parameters. I just briefly introduction to you. So it includes several important parts, including the technical data, its performance, control, and electrical data. I just introduced some of them. For technical data, this is chest type, not upright, and ambient temperature suitable for 5 to 43 degree range, and this is a direct cooling. So we have no defrost mode. The refrigerant we used is CFC free. The noise, the decibel would be less than 40. And the inside storage temperature the range is 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. For the controller, the controller we used is microprocessor, and our display is powered provided by the solar. And there's some electrical data. So the power volt is this is 105 volt, and the other one is 110 volt. So the ampere, one is 0.9, the other is 1 ampere. So this is energy consumption, and the energy consumption cool down test is a kWh hour per 24 hours. And this one is important. Our holdover time at 43 degrees Celsius, and inside temperature decrease the temperature to 8 degrees is these values. So at 32 degrees is this value. In 32 degrees, our product will hold over time will become longer. And we have some certificate, CE, WHO, PQS, and our freezer protection is A. So this is our electrical wire. We could say we include several important parts. So this part is very important part is electrical temperature controller. There are many sensors inside. You can see ice layer sensor, refrigerating sensor, freezing compartment sensor, ambient temperature sensor. So, and there is as a compressor and terminal block, heating wire, and condenser. So the sensor will collect the data of the temperature data, and then give the data to the controller, and then the controller will control the start, the compressor, or the fans. So this is some precautions for the installation. So this is control, it's like this. So this would be more than close to the wall. Our equipment close to wall should be more than this one's 150 millimeter. And so this is when we do some placement, what should we take care? So this one is right, this is wrong. And no sunshine, no raining to explore. And this one, in some countries, the voltage is not so stable. So if you have this situation, we highly recommend you use the voltage regulator. And this is the compressor. So our compressor model is FMX-A6C. This is world unique compressor and brake. This is a picture. And this is the thermostat display. And in the front picture is at the back of our product. This one we could say this display. This part is a display for fridge, but display for the freezer is not used because our product is only one refrigerator. And this is some option buttons, up-down button, and set button. So when we magnify the display, we can see this picture. There are some icons, an indicator on this display. We could see this lightning icon. This means when this light, it means power on. So this is alarm and compressor. This light means compressor start. And here is lock. This means when this light means thermostat was locked. So this icon is a defrosting. This is not applicable for our product because we have no defrost mode. Okay, for thermostat. The thermostat, the position is in the back of the electrical control box. Just like this. This is a thermostat. And when the sensors function, the sensor connects to sense the temperature and then send the data to the thermostat, and then the thermostat will send signals to the compressor or the heating wire to let them start. And our product has only one refrigerator, so the display on the right is off. And we could say this is temperature controller, it's thermostat, it's temperature controller, connectors, some connectors, and this is the connector for the sensors. For example, the frozen ice sensor and the refrigerator sensor. Here is power, input and output, and heating wire output power. And this part is connected the fan output power connector, the frozen compressor output power, so this part is some alarm code. And I just give you one example. For example, ER1, this code meaning frozen ice sensor failure. So when this will triggered, when this code will flashing on our screen, and how we release it, we should re-inspect and service the refrigeration chamber sensor. So, and thermostat is a very important component for our product. So, when it is broken, we should know how to change it. And now this slide shows us how to replace a thermostat. So, the thermostat is damaged, maybe because of not sending including the situation, not sending a signal, or parts are missing, etc. So we need to replace it. So we need to do several steps. Firstly, we should turn off the main switch, and then we open the electrical control box because it's located in the electrical control box, just like the picture. And third step, and very important, because we should take pictures and remember the wire sequence, because all we could, according to the terminal color, to remember, the original position of the wire of the connectors, because there are many wires in on the thermostat. So last step we could put on a new thermostat. So after we replace a new one, we should follow these steps to adjust the parameter again. So first step, it should be power on to unlock. This is steps. And press set and up button for 5 seconds simultaneously to unlock. And second step, and most important, this is very important, we should adjust the PCH, this parameter, to 1. So how to adjust it? Just follow these steps. Long words. So we should long press that again. And this PS parameter will appear on our right sequence. And then we press that again. 00 appears on the sequence. And then we click down button until minus 50 appear on the right sequence. And then we press that again as P1 appears on the right sequence. And then we press up button, and then so many parameters appear on the sequence until the PCH1 appears. So then we press that, and then 01 will appear on the right sequence. So, okay, so shortly speaking, so click set button, and then I use the some down button or up button to adjust this PCH parameter appears, and then you should set PCH to 01. And this is our fan introduction. This is also very important component for our product. So the rated voltage is AC, 220 to 240 voltage and 50 Hertz. It's 22 volt. This is the model. So the fan's function is to cool down the temperatures of the compressor. And very important, the fan and the compressor work at the same time. It means the compressor starts, the fan starts. The compressor shuts down, the fan shuts down. So once the compressor works, but the fan does not work, it can be concluded that the fan is failed. But there is no problem if a fan in short term, but in a very high temperature, the fan is very needed, it's necessary. So now, once the fan is failed, how we should replace it? We should follow these steps. So firstly, we should use a multimeter to test the output voltage of the fan. If it is around 22 volt, and then the fan is failed. So here is the fan connector. And then we power off our machine. Next step, remove the fan cover from our cabinet, from our box, box body, and fan and plastic fan cover are integrated. You could see they are integrated. And now, very important, this is very important. When we replace with a new fan, we should notice a wind direction of the fan. This is the direction. So this is a display of our product. We could see like this is powered by solar by the sun. So it's not powered by the AC electricity. And this lamp, your mobile phone light, or some matchsticks will be okay to provide power to the display. And this is our explosion diagram. It's including some spare parts. It's including spare number, special number, name. So when you need, if you needed some spare parts for our product, we will provide the spare parts form to you. Okay, we have finished this product demo. So now let us show you the real equipment to you. Our technician, Mr. Wang.
You can see the thermostat for a few minutes, often for 1 minute. Then the compressor will be start. Okay. 1分钟是吧？也是1分钟。啊。Now you can see the single, and it means the compressor has been started, and this means refrigerant single. Okay. Okay. Now I show how to lock and unlock, how to use the thermostat. Okay. Now it's have been unlocked. Okay. 这个应该正常得显示温度是吧？看一下。
Refrigerator 1 day. Now we can see the temperature is still no decrease. Now we can confirm this unit have some fault inside. And Mr. Wang will show you how to check.
Okay. Now you can see the temperature, and it's near close to the ambient temperature. And after the vaccine cabinet is powered for about 3 or 5 hours or more. And now it seems that the compressor may be fault. But the compressor itself really faulty. So we need to make a following troubleshooting. And step 1, 2, okay. Okay. Now you can see the compressor inside. Okay. 可不可以签一下屏？可以，我们一下这个颜色机器有变动的。先看一下这个，先这个角度可以。可以啊。可以。You can see the，看一下灯。看灯，对，灯是点的。Okay. You can see the indicator. Okay. The indicator is light light on, okay? And the compressor means the compressor is running, okay? And listen the sound. Listen the sound. Often have inside have a fan, okay? Have a fan. The sound may be the fan. You can touch the compressor quickly, okay? Okay. 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 Touch. Okay.
We
Yes.
can.
You can come to here to say because we only have, few person, doesn't matter.
Okay.
If you're interested, you can come here to say our product.
Vibration, okay?
Please.
Right now, no vibration.
Okay.
Yes, not hot.
Right now, no vibration.
Oh, but not hot,
No, no
okay?
hot.
Compressor is failure.
Yes.
Okay, now
因为启动了还是不知道。
now we check the temperature of the pipe around the compressor, and three pipe, okay? Three pipe.
再看一下管路的温度。
Okay, the temperature of the
正常的话，
of
这
the
是个
pipe
高温，这是个高温，
哎
这是个低温。
high temperature, okay? The low
Yes,
temperature,
inlet, outlet,
okay?
different
You can
temperature.
touch it, okay? Yes, normally it was very hot, very hot. You need touch quickly, okay? Okay, very hot. But now it's not hot, okay? Okay.
另外一个这个也没有问题。
Okay, and
好的。
also you of the compressor.
就是通过这些现象可以判断，就是制冷系统有问题。一般就是检查管路有没有泄漏点。
Oh, now let's check the refrigerant line. If have a leak, have a leakage, okay? Have a leakage. We need to use the sulfate water applied to refrigerant line, okay? 一个抹布是吧 ？OK， 这样 ，OK。You also need to have some sulfate water, OK。have been sulfate, OK。试一下这个沿着管路
焊接的
，OK。
Yes, we will check the welding joint. Normally, welding joint is easy to leakage.
Okay. And if have leakage, you can see there are bubbles of the soapy water. Okay, clear. And there were two conditions. If have leakage, you need to empty the refrigerate, vacuum the refrigerate pipe and refill the refrigerate. And the other, if not leak, you there's maybe have a problem about inside the compressor. Okay.
Only even though the compressor is running normally, but if there is leakage in the system, tubing system, it will not cool down. Another possible reason is compressor fault inside the compressor.
Okay. Now we can
So
check.
if no leakage, how long will the gas last inside the compressor? 2-3 years?
如果
制冷剂能一直运行，还是说10
no,
年
if there leakage, no leakage,
No
no
leakage.
leakage.
是不用更换的。
？Always.
然后
This
如
is
果
a
更换
closed
的话，
system.
如果更换的话，参考这个名牌，这里有制冷剂的型号，还有关注量。
Yeah, the gas information is listed on the nameplate. For this one is R6008.
Yeah, and then the weight is 770 G.
Sometimes leakage only during transportation, otherwise there was no problem for us.
Only this.
Leakage problem only during transportation.
Yes.
Not proper transportation.
Yeah.
But when the machine is installed, then there is no leakage problem.
Yes, yes.
Leakage problem is only during transportation.
Yes, yes. Transport or some heat or crash.
Okay, you can also test the voltage of the compressor. Okay. Okay. You can find the power line. Okay. 是这可以。哎。诶，不太好吧？哦。OK。OK。OK AC。OK。OK 200. 250. Okay. Now the power of the compressor is okay. Maybe the have something wrong inside the compressor.
Yes.
Okay. 哎，对这个刘工，这个压缩机如果是内部故障的话，可能是因为它有这个运输的时候它有这个
运输搬运的时候，然后里面的压缩机有可能把管路堵了。
哦，maybe the some oil have jacked the pipe because of transportation 这个 vibration. OK.
另外一个就是这个压缩机的附件就是电路板容易收，电压不稳定容易把这个电路板收。
哦。The board also near okay. The counter board maybe possible fault.
The poor, he means the poor power supply. If the voltage have a surge or a low or high voltage, the poor power supply can damage the control units of this compressor. It can be ruined.
Really?
如果压缩机故障，一是换压机，一个是换板，两种都先换一般的。
If we find that the compressor is not running, either the control unit have some issue or some issue with the compressor itself.
Okay. Now we show how to change the thermostat. Okay.
Thermostat.
The thermostat. Okay. Oh, there's
So how we can know the thermostat's failure?
So
Temperature. If we here we will show you open. If there is no output for the compressor or fan,
断电，
then
第一步先
Ah,
断电。
then maybe
first power off. Okay.
yeah.
Also the display.
Also this way.
Okay, it's about the electrical part more than the operation of the compressor or of the ventilator.
Yes, after we will see there's two output to control the compressor and also the condenser fan. If there is no output,
Zero output from
yes,
the
zero
thermostat
output.
using the voltmeter.
Yes. Next, he will show you how to detect the voltage
Okay.
output. Yes.
The Q.
那这样你可以看一下这两个输出，然后怎么测量充电电。哪个是？
哎，少电吗？
对对对，他要测一下输入输出，看一下。
Hello, sir. Next, we will show you how to detect the output and also input to the controller.
Okay.
就是这个屏幕显示没有显示的话，可能就是说这个给他会输入这两个，有输入是这两个线，有可能它的有这个。
先上链。
And we can see input from the terminal block from the power supply. Input for controller. Lifeline, this red lifeline, neutral line. We can to the AC to here. One connect to the lifeline.
Okay.
Input normal.
Okay.
Yeah. This is the input for this controller. That's to output.
Can we measure it using from this from here? It's
Terminal
much
block.
easier, yeah?
Yeah, from the power supply.
Okay, so we can measure the input or output for the thermostat from the power
From here?
Yeah.
Yes. This
It's much easier.
yes.
Yeah.
Output. This two output.
This is the output of the block is the input for the thermostat.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can also measure at this point.
Yes.
Yes. This is output for this for the controller. Output for controller. Another one for the condenser fan. You can check. You can detect its voltage. One here.
Any
Output normal.
outage? No. Okay.
Yeah, for compressor.
For the compressor.
Yeah. And another one for condenser fan.
There's no
Also
outage.
normal, yeah. If there's no output, there may be issue with this one.
With the thermostat or microcontroller.
Also the poor power supply may damage this control unit.
Okay.
You know, in Africa or some India, the power, the
not
voltage
stable.
have a surge. Yeah, may damage this one.
That's why you use voltage stabilizer.
Yes. Next, Mr. Wang will show us how to replace this one.
Okay. Before we change the new one, we should
Power off.
power off and take a photo. Okay.
What is this?
Yeah.
White.
This is for heating. 就是给加的丝是吧？对口加的丝。There's a heating strip, heating wire, in inside the isolation layer.
This going inside.
Yeah.
This way. Yeah. I think.
These are sensors. Also ambient sensor. Yeah. This one is for heating wire inside this cabin.
Okay. Now take a photo first.
Before we replace this unit, it's better to take a photo because there is too much wiring connections to avoid mistake during installation.
Now the new one is inside the lever.
Is the controller same for all size of ice and refrigerator?
Currently we have two different model. That's why different.
No, I mean this.
This
SBC.
都一样啊。
SBC
80
80 and 150 and
Yes,
80.
90 also.
这 HPC 都一样啊。
150 and 980
HPC are all same.
all same.
All same.
How about
Only
SDD
the
90?
HTC 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 也是一样的温度器。Another one. HTC is for DC power supply from a solar panel. Yeah. It's for
它那个拆这个机器前要拍个照片，这些线怎么接的？线的颜色。
Oh, okay. Take a photo first and then we
photo
then we change. Okay.
可以拍那个。
已经拍了。再拍一个。
上午，第一
OK。
你可能上午来了还是下午？
So I want to ask you one thing about the thermostat. So how often do you change the design of the thermostat? Is it same for past 5 years or do you change the design?
他说这个温度器我们设计有没有更新的？大概多久更新一次？
Before there was small.
他说你比如说过去多久能通用？比如5年或者。
Okay. Press and then it will be slow.
Before
It will be
it
loose.
was
Okay.
small thermostat, and a few years later, this was different model.
Normally, if there's no defect with the design defect, we will not modify
Press.
into. For example, this has been used for 10 years. 10 years.
Okay.
In the future, do you plan to change that?
Okay.
Currently, no, because there's no defect
Now
currently.
we
先安装上，安装上。
first install it. Okay. Install it.
这时候就把那个刚才拍那个照片拿出来，对着照片一个一个的接。
Okay.
When we're connecting the cables to this new controller, it's better to take out the picture.
Okay, red.
We
We
took
replaced
a-
Red here. Okay.
Yes,
Electricity source problem in our country.
yes,
We got a lot of thermostat from
yeah.
factory.
Yes. You do too much work.
Sometimes even the stabilizer does not support very low. Stabilizer
Yes,
also
alright.
support only 90.
Output from
Yeah,
stabilizer.
stabilizer capacity also
90.
90 to maybe 300.
Okay.
Sometimes if below 90, then
This one.
Then it's
stabilizer does not support.
yeah.
This one here. Okay.
都有燃
Okay.
气输出低于90
And white. Okay. White.
in Nepal.
Nepal, yeah.
Nepal, yeah. Nepal.
White.
There's very poor electricity grid now.
Yeah, it's a problem.
Also fluctuates.
then
Sometimes
the
there's electricity,
red.
sometimes there's no electricity on and off.
The
Yes,
red.
on and
From the
off. Power
government,
billing.
yeah, power.
Red.
就是他们那边是高原国家嘛，
电力，
电力长距离输
Blue.
送，电压压
它
下
可能就是
In the city area, no problem.
Red,
In the
blue.
village area,
yeah, village.
And
rural
then
area,
the-
problem.
Okay.
Do you have a
The
power station?
ambient sensor. Okay.
Electricity station?
Ambient sensor.
Plant?
White.
Electricity plant?
Okay.
对，
but electricity plant is
那
not
是100瓦嘛，220伏100瓦。
Quantity field. Field. Plant.
电压跟电力。
electricity plant equipments are very old. If we
Yeah.
put new equipment in the hydropower, then we can get
如果都
better
这样
Yeah.
White and red.
Our country's
Okay,
capacity for
red.
hydro is very big, but we don't have equipment to generate the hydro.
Yes.
Old equipment.
Red color.
Because
Okay.
in your country it's
电压肯定电力，电
mountains.
压越低电力越大。
different with here. Different.
或者
Very
是
high
不停工作
potential
工作上面就是电阻也
Do you have a solar electricity
电阻也
plant
平方乘以电阻。
from solar power?
就是这种压缩机
Small
热的时
small
候电
projects
阻不
for
是变小
houses,
了吗？
but not
这
big.
种情况少。
电阻是固定
For
的，
private use. Private.
电阻
Sometimes also INGO they donate small solar for houses in village area.
And then
UN project, INGO
blue.
project.
Yes.
Okay.
它是
Purple.
这里也是 blue，两个颜色是对起来的。
Okay.
这是
The
那
internal also purple. Okay.
蓝色对蓝色，白色对白色，红色对红色，就是
That's not because of this, because of
Okay. Okay. Now have been finished. Okay. Now power on and test. Okay.
Yes.
也行。
你可以叫他们怎么调参数就行。
哦。
更换新的必须。
And then we show you how to set the parameter PCH21 and how to adjust the parameter C0. Okay.
这个可以。 往这边来。你在这个就。
I'm here. Okay. Press the set and up button about 5 seconds. Okay. And then the thermostat will be low. Okay. Then set and up 5 seconds. Unlock. Okay. And press the when unlock this, press the set button for 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Okay. The PS code and press yes minus the set. Okay, set and minus. Okay. Minus 15 and set. We enter the parameter. Okay. Okay, you can see the parameter. Then the PCH need to be 1. Okay, and press set. Check it's 1, and set. Press 5 minutes to save.
So what is PC stand for?
PCH is for the model. Is for the model. Yes.
So you said it like 0, 1.
PCH HBC 150 is 1, and another was not 1, and maybe some 1 is 1. Okay. The PCH difference in different model. Okay.
So how can you set the temperature of the PC?
Set temperature.
Yes.
Okay.
On
Okay. Please press. Okay. To check the temperature. Okay.
this is a temperature set, right?
Okay. You can change it.
让你扛着。
Hold the set again.
这个它这个 SPR 这个它是什么？
SPR 是控制加乐斯的。
控制加热丝的啊。哎。
你就是说，比如他刚才说的，他温度低的那些区域，可以加个丝往上调一调。
哦。
1.1能调到2.2。
哦。The SPR is for heat wire. Heating wire. Okay. Heating wire.
Defrosting wire.
Heating wire.
刚才他们说他们有地方，3.1的低温。
In our country, outside temperature is more cold.
你这个调这个温度的话，直接设温度，说这个直接设温度温过去的。
That's why not always we need to.
不是，
as well in my
通过 C 零是。哦，通过 C 零。
ambient temperature sometimes can be
Oh.
very cold。是不需要动的。
哦。
然后它那种假如
so
说
in that case we need to heat
单独搞的可以。
哦。When you set the PCH for a number, example 1, then other parameter have been 就是 the same, OK, PCH 1 OK， 还有这个有1还有几有4是吧
PCH 一共3个模式。
哦 PCH maybe PCH 1 PCH 2 3 4 5 OK. Okay, now we show you how to set the parameter CE0. Okay, same the PCH. Okay, same to the parameter of PCH. Press the set for 5 seconds when the thermostat is on low. Okay, PS and set. Okay. Minus 15. Okay. Set. Then find the CE 0. C0. Now set. Okay. You can see 4.8 and HTCD maybe not 4.8. You just increase 0.5. Okay. 8. Example.
这个偏激。
Okay. 5.0.5. Okay.
下午4点。
And set
下午2个小
press
时。
set 5 seconds to save. Okay.
2个小时，这是开门了。
这开门了。
This point the opening.
Just press.
Open.
长按OK 这样 OK OK have been saved OK.
Sometimes when the meeting temperature is set 5, but it's 0 in the cooler side.
About 800 meters.
This temperature
From
No,
700 to
internal temperature. When we set, this is 5, set in 5.
OK
But here it is 1.1, 0. But actual temperature is
it was about
0.
it was a month.
哎刘工这个刘工就是这个你里边那边就是它是显示是1.1的话，它有没有可能就是咱刚才讨论是不是可能是这个环境温度的问题是吧？环境温度是吧？环境温度推在 ambient temperature
Side temperature also?
环境温度很低吗？
How about empty temperature location?
Ambient is like
It was minus.
15 to 20 degrees.
You mean
20 degrees.
Even though like most
This is just daytime or
not minus.
nighttime.
Like daytime, it's normal temperature, like 20
因为这本身这个情况下呢，它是太阳能的，
Minus 0.8.
加了四成晚上没有阳光了，加了四度没法往这个往上升。
So
白天还能升一点，晚上就不太行。
The solar type the heating wire cannot be work in night. Okay, in night.
HTCD.
The HTCD type and the heating wire cannot work at night. Okay, in night.
那它这种应该是
But how can I
So the temperature, okay. This temperature is you can and not damage the vaccine.
No, no damage.
Okay, it's no problem. Okay.
during night.
We need to calibrate also. We can calibrate and raise the
You also can calibrate in night, just in night, and also can also you not do some. Okay.
Can you show me how to calibrate?
Okay. Show it again. Okay.
No, you just change another.
Okay. Okay. When show PS code, press minor. Okay. Press set. Okay. Press set. And then press minor. Okay.
读出来的是下面，这个是比这个比读的是相对的。
Also, later you can try. Okay. And press set. Enter the parameter. Okay. Find the CE0 and press set to find the value. Okay. Find the value and up, down. Okay. You can adjust it. Okay. Okay. Press that. Long time. Okay. Okay. Has been shrink. Okay. Okay. Have been saved. Then you can check it. Press the set button. Okay. Okay.
The concept of HPC is freezing the water, and the water will cool the cabinet. So
C0. Okay, set. You can check it. Okay.
reduce
The quantity of the water.
Properly. And 2 to 8 also be okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Sometimes it goes -1. Okay?
Oh.
-1.3, -1.8. Sometimes and that's input ice.
Oh.
We change thermostat also. We set parameter also. Here we set this one also.
Oh.
The problem.
The average temperature is okay. And
inside temperature is not.
also in night you can.
Okay. -1.
No need to.
-1. Sometimes.
What's the temperature gauge you?
Which sensor? Ambient.
The freezer temperature?
Yes.
Oh, freezer temperature.
This is shading.
Yeah. Freezer temperature, maybe minus 10, about minus 10.
There's an issue with the probe.
Also okay. And
probe has issue.
the refrigerator chamber temperature 2 to 8. Okay.
It's for this sensor, it's okay.
Inside there is two ways, two systems.
Two. One for ice layer and one for cabinet.
So you have to check.
नमस्कार
CED.
सर भारी आएर
Increase its value.
भिडियो कल गरेर 19 लाई त्यो फेज 2 to 8 मा गयो
Increase by
यो रातिको कारणले चाहिँ तपाईको
0.5. And try for 是2天
धेरै नै भ्याक्सिन
to observe its performance for 2 or 3 days. Because the cooling
Change गर्ने
is slow, very slow.
Because it's solar.
Yeah, it's over there. You said 2 or 3?
Yeah.
让保管
त्यो होइन नेपालीबाट फेरि फोन गरेको गरे
要拆吗？
That's how we set the temperature, right?
没电。
No,
त्यो गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ सोलरमा
heating wire.
Heating wire.
Yeah, that's
加热湿热开始
So how can we set the
低于
temperature?
3.5
this
刚才
5 means
刚才都没电。
the heating wire will starting to work. If the temperature below
就是3.5盖2.3度。
低于它会启动，因为它
保护机制嘛。
感受地位那个电网的启动，直接就往下降。
里边的温度是相对开宾利
相当于是 C10嘛
，C10，
从 C10
就是调那个焦点。You can adjust the cabinet temperature by adjusting CE0. CE0 for ice layer.
C10是每个型号不一样的数。
OK， you can。
所以说换了温度计，换了温度计先选那个 PTH 嘛，找到你
Press for 5 seconds.
C10就带回来了。他们这种情况是感觉 C10
PS OK。
这环境是不是温度太低了？
Next.
Up OK up。CA 0。OK set。You can OK。OK press set。OK。OK press set for 5 minutes。5 minutes press set。
其实那个电源就放它这边。
对，原来在这里边。
4 minutes. 5 seconds. Sorry. 5 seconds. Okay, have been sealed. Now have been finished this product. Okay. 这个 OK 了，放着呢。好，下一个不用搬过来了。
下一个产品。
王工那个，王工 HTCD HTC 240讲不讲 PPT？ 不讲，你讲。好。
哪一个？
后边那个高的。
直接过去。
不用讲 PPT 啊，那直接去吧，直接去吧。
要不要看？
Hello everyone, we show another wax product to you. It's on the back. It's a HTC 240. You can to see the real equipment. 介绍 HTC 240吧。介绍 HTC 240吧，给大家。So our technician, our research and development technician is come here, and you can ask the questions to him.
Okay. Now this model is HTC 240, and
声音太小了。
这个是给我们个。
this model is 240. Okay. Okay.
声音太小了。
And we show you how to open the text, water text, and how to find the level.
别对着那个。
How to find the liquid level.
别正对着这个地方啊，别对着这里，就是有蜂鸣声。斜着。
Now open the door. Okay. Now you can see the aluminum lip. Okay. And there were two screen in the upside downside. Okay. Now we
我给你操作，你说行吗
OK 好。Now we disable it.
也卸掉是吧？
对。
Because we have a lot of white sensor and can you use red white sensor for
Instead of rear sensor.
是先往下拉，先往下拉，先往下拉。
就是咱的我们对这个插错了，因为它后面是
This is the water tank.
Okay, this is the water tank. Okay, and you can see
There is also black.
you can see the lip, the little lip. Okay,
还是有那什么
black
when the
white
如果
可以通用，
本来这是个水位，
尽量用正确的，
okay,
因为你
装起来之后，
这样。
you can see here the water level. Water level.
作用是
从这儿看啊，
Yes, you see here. You can see the water level.
如果
Water
看不
level
到，
and from here. Okay.
但是如果看不到，就有可能这个没有这个眼儿，
If
水
you
上不来。
if you can't see the water level, maybe there the hole has been jam, have been jam. Okay, have been some jam. Also you change it. Okay.
或者把它取掉也可以。
change it.
什么造成的？
是，描述，描述。
We cannot see clearly, but we inside some resistance.
昨天说太紧。Okay. Okay.
不要也行，其实。
Okay, you can change it. Okay.
还是没问题的。
You can see the hole. Okay.
你看讲这种现象极少。
The pneumonia is not often, but we surely occur. Okay.
大家看一下这条线，这个黑色的，就是水箱的冻冰传感器。
The black wire is to cooling the water in the water tank. Okay.
这个水箱是起到什么作用？它其实就起到这个柜子的长期保温的作用。因为这个柜子在43的环温下，它可以保温100多个小时。
Okay. The campbell can save for about 100 hour.
More than 100 hour.
Or more than 100 hour. When the ambient temperature for 3 degree. Okay. And use the water tank to receive some ice. Okay, some ice.
这个就是我们存储疫苗的区域，这个柜子有200升，就是疫苗容积200升。刚才说你240是它的毛容积。
Okay. We use here to save the vaccine. Okay.
然后它呢有2个传感器，一个是就是箱内温度传感器。其实箱内温度传感器就是我们的控制加热丝的一个传感器，在这后边。
Okay.
后照。
Okay. There were 2 temperature sensor inside the cabinet. Inside the cabinet.
对，在那个后背里边。然后还有一个传感器。
Okay. One has been kept in the 这个关闭这个箱壁怎么说？
这个后边这个板。
Okay.
这个板。
have been assembled in the womb. Okay. You can not see. Okay.
对，就是刚才说的2个，有一个是显示它的箱内的，其实就是控制加热丝的，不是显示的。一个控制加热丝的，另外一个就是显示的，它的一头就接到这儿来了。
One sensor is to control the heating wire, and another you will find
对，通过这个线。
you will find temperature here. Okay.
这个后期会有一个盒子把它藏起来，这是离氧机。
Okay. It connect use the wire. Okay.
那底下呢？底下就是个机舱。
Okay.
这底下就是机舱，就有这压缩机、风机，还有一些冷凝器什么的。
Okay. The down has the electric box. have fan and condenser. Okay.
这个指示灯就是压缩机的开机指示灯。
Okay. Indicator. Indicator when light on, compressor running. Okay.
And this place, this refrigerator is good, but freezer is not going well.
电风箱在后边。
对，那个是气套。
对，这是上最大。
Oh.
别的你们看。
Okay. Any question?
This one is takes long. 1 day, 2 days.
Okay. Now.
问题问我也行。
Okay. Any question? Okay. Now we
So any questions about the product? We will finish the training for vaccine product and 把麦克风关了。
Okay.
And later we will have a rest for 10 minutes. And before we have a rest, I two things introduce you. So we will provide a U disc to you. This is made by ourselves, made by her. So later you could take this. This morning we could take a picture together because this afternoon maybe some person will fly back. Okay, so have a rest 10 minutes. Later we will start our liquid nitrogen training.